Welcome to English EZee. Our today's topic is 3 uses of the modal verb may. But before proceeding to the topic, it would be better to discuss the word uses. What do you think? Is it uses or uses? So, just to share the knowledge, it is use when it is a noun and it is use when it is a verb. Here in this heading, 3 uses of may, it is used as a noun. That's why here in this heading it is uses. So the heading is, or the topic is, 3 uses of may. Number 1, to seek permission. Examples: may I call you tomorrow? May I come to see you on Sunday? May I have your bike for an hour? Another use of may is to pray. May God bless our home. May you get success this time. May God bless you with a son. The third use of the modal may is to show probability. I may come to see you tomorrow. They may win the match today. He may be angry with you. You can see here in examples 1 and 2, modal may is followed by first form of the verb, as all the modals are followed by first form of the verb. Whereas in the third example, there is no verb, there is an adjective. That's why may is followed by be. He may be angry with you. In the same way, he may be sad, he may be happy, and so on. So here in third example, maybe is used with adjective. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.